Welcome to the Evenstad Horticulture campus at Naples Botanical Garden. This campus features over 60,000 square feet of state-of-the-art growing space. It is one of the nation's only specialized centers for tropical plant cultivation and the linchpin to everything our organization seeks to accomplish for years to come. The campus supports enhancements to the garden's 170 acres and the development of nature-based solutions to help Southwest Florida face its current and future environmental challenges. Throughout the campus, you will find multiple growing spaces like propagation labs, glasshouses, shade nurseries, and sun nurseries to take plants from seeds to garden-ready specimens. By growing more plants in-house, our team can ensure our displays meet the highest standards for beauty and longevity. The Cheryl and Phil Leone Center includes a maintenance shop and lab. The sterile lab provides space to propagate native Florida orchids, which are disappearing in the wild, along with other threatened species. Every feature of the Evenstad Horticulture campus was designed to meet our unique needs. If we lose power during a severe storm, the generator system can run for 10 days without refueling. The reverse osmosis water treatment mechanism next door provides consistent clean water and the ability to mix in nutrients to support our collection. Horticulturalists can nurture plants through every stage of their development. The M.D. Stevenson Potting House provides space to step up plants and store all the materials and equipment needed to care for the plants we're growing. The Tanya and Denny Glass Propagation House provides ideal conditions for our team to transform seeds and cuttings into viable plants for garden displays, restoration projects, and conservation collections. The large grinder in our green waste recycling area processes debris like palm fronds, branches, and other plant material to create mulch that we use on site. This mulch, along with rocks and other critical landscaping materials, are stored in the bulk material storage area. While many northern greenhouses are designed to keep plants warm, we don't have that need in Southwest Florida. Tall roof lines in the Blair Foundation Greenhouse, North Greenhouse, and Marcia and L. Bates Lee Shade House dissipate heat and provide a cooler environment for our plants. Thank you for exploring the Evenstad Horticulture Campus, where innovation in tropical plant cultivation meets a commitment to sustainability and environmental stewardship. The Evenstad Horticulture Campus and the Florida Center for Nature-Based Solutions were developed with financial assistance provided by the Florida Department of Environmental Protection and the Florida Legislature.